Hi, this is Jack at Jack's Transmissions. Thank you for viewing our products today. Today we're going to talk about clutch hub O-rings for the DCT470 and the Mitsubishi SST found in the Evo MR, Evo 10 MR, and the Mitsubishi Rally Art. So these are critical in assuring that we have the appropriate pressure at the clutch assembly. These O-rings, here's a factory one here, it seals between this hub assembly and this plate, and it's supposed to hold the pressure of basically the whole piston assembly with that O-ring. If this O-ring compresses or becomes brittle from old age, you'll have pressure leaks and then you'll lose some of your clutch performance. So the aftermarket sells these, and I find them in just about every aftermarket clutch I take apart, these O-rings, and they do not do well. I don't know if it's the chemistry in the oil or the heat or what, but whatever this is made from, it looks like it's just regular rubber. It cannot survive in this environment. They compress very easily and they begin to leak very easily. You probably can't see it in here, but where it was sealed between the plate and the hub, just the pressure from that sealing area has flattened this O-ring where it became leaky. So if we take this tool here and measure, we have 1.5 millimeters on this end. And then if I move it this way, you see we're at what, 2.15? So thicker this way than this way because it's compressed. And that is not good. You do not want that in your clutch. So we have in our possession the factory OEM O-rings. These things will last over 100,000 miles before they'll ever have an issue. These are very, very good. They can withstand the chemical composition of the oil, they can withstand the heat, all of that stuff. These are the best you can use. There's nothing aftermarket that's better than these. And we carry them in stock. Clutch hub, pretty important piece. Simple, yet nobody else has them, and very effective.